Like we got a little bit, got a scratch here. Roof looks good. It's like three of the letters here, the I, the C, and the L in Lincoln are missing, but those are easy. You can buy those on probably eBay really cheap. Looks like there's some wear from putting some luggage in and out, so you got some scrapes here in the rear bumper. Looks like this trim piece here, which if it had a tow package, this is where it would be, but there's a plastic piece that goes over here. It's obviously missing. A little bit of a scrape here, a crack on the chrome piece. Very light scratches here, probably in the clear coat. It's like some chipping right here. A little bit more here and here as well. The light scratch right here and some scratches here that might be able to be buffed out. Wheels look good, very limited curb rash on all four of them. Got some scratches here and here. And this could be, you know, your typical road rash, little bit you have. It's like on the hood, some chips on the hood too, basically a road rash. Check out the inside. I don't know if that's an actual chip or scratch here, or if someone just marked it at the auction. Not really sure on that. Inside looks great. Minor wear right here. Really shocking. There's hardly any wear on the seats at all. Even on the driver's side, you usually get a lot of wear and wrinkling on this bolster from getting in and out. There's barely any wear at all on the thing. No rips or cracks in the dashboard at all. Really clean interior. See no roof on this one. No sunroof, I should say. Again, it just looks like, you know, the interior was just never used on this thing. The seat a little up a little too far. There we go. Now you can see in the third row. Really super clean. We can. I wonder if I can pop this open. There. See here. There we go. Got the power seats here. Pretty cool feature. Looks like this panel was off for some reason. Not sure why. I'm sure that can be snapped back in. And again, you got these, even though the windows are tinted, but you do have these shades on both sides that come up in case the tint isn't dark enough for you. A little bit of wear here. It's probably just some light wear. The USB ports, everything down there. Put on the air back here. And you got your USB ports in there. And your cup holders in here. Storage. There's a big glove compartment. I'll pop the hood for you. Super clean engine. I think even Matthew McConaughey would like this Lincoln.